Kay Jane, anong masasabi niyo sa performance nitong apat? Ngayon na, as yung nag-develop na yun.
What I can say from the four of them all together, is that from the beginning pa lang that you could see that they were ready to work. That dun sila to get better. They're ready to learn, to be molded. And hindi sila nagko-compete with each other, they compete with themselves because they want to be better. So it's so exciting to watch them grow and evolve. And if you watch the first episode and you watch an episode now, it's like, aside from physically, they've, grown taller since we started, but they've matured and their presence is felt even more. Yung charisma nila, yung meron na silang alam na, yung nakikita sa mata, yung iniisip at nararamdaman nila. And it's so nice and exciting to see how far pa they're gonna grow after that.
Kung take 21, take 1 na siya. Yeah, alam mo, everyone, actually, kami lahat, kasi matagal na kami in the business, kami nagpapasalamat because hindi kami pinapabayaan ng directors, ng mga directors namin, ng mga staff. Pag hindi sila happy, paulit-ulit yan. At para sa amin, at para din sa kanila, I'm sure, mas gugustuhin namin yun, maski paulit-ulit, basta mapaganda yung acting namin. And I've seen them, we always support each other eh. Ako, sa tagal ko na rin sa business, I always make sure that ito, palagi naman sila nakikinig, which is I'm thankful na nakikinig naman sila pag medyo parang, parang konti pa. Pero as overall, hindi sila pinapabayaan ng mga directors. Hindi pwedeng lumabas ang isang eksena na hindi maganda. Kaya they're so blessed to have a team like this na hindi nagpapabaya para sa mga acting nila.
Nakakatuwa silang apat kasi nagtatrabaho talaga sila. Iniintindi nila kung anong ginagawa nila, hindi lang yung titingnan lang yung script, memorize, inaalam nila kung anong nangyayari. And nakakatuwa rin kasi habang nag-grow sila, kami rin nag-grow din kasabay nila. So para kaming growing up together.
Thank you and congratulations.
Thank you, Leo. Actually, gusto kong sulutan na rin yung mga tanong na yun sa mga directors naman natin kung anong kanilang assessment sa ating mga teen stars. Direk, Cathy, ikaw muna.
Okay. Well, sa mga teen stars natin, satisfied naman ako sa binibigay nila. The mere fact that they're doing their best and trying willingness to give out their best na pinapakita sa ngayon because of the high ratings, it only shows that we got the viewers' interest dahil din sa hard work nila. And what I can say is try your very best to still do it na masatisfy yung sarili nyo sa passion na ginagawa ninyo. And as a director, I will try my very best also to capture those moments and guide you in a way along your peak, diba? So, sana, through this journey, you learn from this, you learn your craft in a very, very careful way, diba? So, marami pa kayong ibang madadaanan at marami pa kayong ibang may experience. And take this opportunity and grab it, claim it, and be very blessed and share this to everyone, okay? Yun lang po.
Ganun po. Sa akin naman, parang naging advantage somehow sa kanila yung pagiging new nila. Kasi yung pagiging raw pa ng acting nila na natatranscend, yung parang hindi siya na umaate pa masyado. Yun ang pinaka-gusto kong meron. Yung dato kasi si Jane, matagal na si Jane na umaate, so marunong na si Jane umarte. Sila, marunong din kasi ando din, innate yata yung pag-ate, tingin ko, nilalabas lang siguro namin. At maganda siya lumalabas. Pagka yung willingness to submit, itong gagawin natin sabay-sabay. Parang yun ang pinag-usapan. Earlier on pa yun ang pinag-usapan. Let's go, parang pumunta tayo doon sabay-sabay. Walang mauuna. Yun ang nangyari. So parang, kaya siya maayos.
Thank you, Direk. Aaron?
Yes, MJ. Ito ang susunod na magkatanong ay meron ding willingness to submit. Walang iba kang BC. Glenn Reconda.
Willingness to submit what? Anyway, doon naman sa mga bagets, since ano naman, the